This course is brought to you by Appy Pie as part of our Academy series.
Hello everyone. In this video we are going to create a very simple form, and the reason why I have included this video in this course is to introduce you a different kind of answer type called linear scale type. So before just explaining you about the answer type, I will talk about the things that I have already added in order to make the video short. So I have just edited the form background. I have just opt this image from Google. I have not uploaded this infographic, okay? And after that I have just named this one as vanilla ice cream. The theme of this form is to collect reviews and ratings for one of the products that the hotel is offering. I have added a small description saying this is a simple form to collect ratings for one of our products. I have also added a question saying how do you rate vanilla ice cream. It's better to also add an image for this. As I have no image, I will just search on Google and try to add the same here. Yeah, I find so many images here. I'll just add this image and hit the select button, and now the image will be available here. So when you click this more button, you have got different options to change, to remove this one. You can also add a caption for this. So here you can add a caption for this one, but here in this question type it's not necessary for me to add a caption for this image. So I'll just uncheck that one. I want this to be center aligned. So at the bottom the answer type is multiple choice answer, but I don't want to add a multiple choice answer. Here it's better to choose a linear scale. So when you choose this option called linear scale, now you can use this one as a rating bar. So this includes the ratings from 1 to 5. You can also include a label for the ratings. So for the near the number 1 you can add any text saying very bad, or else you can also add a text for 5 saying excellent. So let's just try that, adding a label here. So now after adding the label, let's preview this one, and now you will get a clear idea. Yeah, here what you can observe is that at the bottom we have a label after the radio button 1 as bad, and after the radio button 5 we have the label as good. So instead of adding the label as text, you can also add emojis or text icons. You can add that. I'll try to add emojis. So we have created a question called ratings. Now we have to include another question. Just hit this add question option, and below let us type a question saying write a review. Okay, I'll just type the question saying write a review for vanilla ice cream. And here I will not make this question to be required because people may be interested to add a review or not, but I should just check the option saying required for the first question, that is ratings, because it's necessary for the user to add the rating. And next, here what should I do is that I should send this form to only few people. So I should send via email option. So only the people who are included in this email can only submit the form here. Also you can opt this option called collect email addresses. It's not necessary that you just adjust any of this option saying limit to 1 response, edit after submit, because they can edit even after they have submitted a form, as it is a review and rating form. So hope it's a good one. So send this form with the help of an email.